Woohoo! What's up everyone? It's a bike ride day today. Just wanted to make this little video to show you a day of my life while I'm wearing a hair system, or day of my active life while I'm wearing a hair system. So I just did a 30k hair system, so it looks absolutely fine. A little bit messy as expected, as normal hair, but other than that it looks beautiful. So this is today's vlog, and I hope this answer your question of how active can you be when you wear a hair system. If anything, I'm more active after wearing a hair system because I feel good. I just want to be out all the time to look after my body. I would like to look better. So yes, if anything, I'll be more active. So no matter how active life you have, you can have a hair system. So this is today's vlog. If you have any more questions, leave a comment down below, or give her for All London a call, or send them an email. Have a great day.